Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today we're doing a mystery unboxing. So you guys will probably have no idea what is in here. If you somehow get it right, so leave in the comments what you think this is. If you get it right, I will give you a free shout out and card in my next video. But yeah. Let's get into it. So I bought this from eBay. I've already opened it, and so here's the paper for the model. So leave what you think it is. If you're right, I'll give you a free shout out and card, and leave a like on this video. So yeah, let's this one here. Sorry guys. Here's the box. And 3, 2, 1. Here we have the 2009 Gemini Jets Korean Air 777-300ER. So yeah, I've been trying to find a Korean Air model for a while now. This one I happened to see this on eBay for $44 flat, with about $8 for shipping, so super deal, especially for the plane livery. It was just minor shelfware and stuff, but yeah, let's open her up. Looks to have no issues as of yet, and yeah, looks great. So I used to see this plane a lot in San Francisco, and I would always think it was the Pepsi plane. So yeah, it looks great. 2009 mold, where the landing gear wasn't as tall, and yeah, so we'll look at it in a closer view. Okay, yeah, so the model looks great. Again, this was produced in 2009. Registration, Hotel Lima 7782. It's weird because it's on the tail, but yeah. So starting up here, we have the cockpit. I don't think the nose cone's printed or anything, but again, 2009. So SkyTeam logo, L1 boarding door, Korean Air titles, L2 boarding door. Got the Trent GE90 engines, exit overwing, exit door. Got the long sweeping wings of the 777. Moving back, we have another door back there, and you have the Boeing 777-300ER, the rear boarding door, or rear door, and yeah, the Korean tail, which is the symbol on the South Korean flag, as you can see with the flag up there at the top. So yeah, that concludes this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. Want to know what you guys think, what you want to see, whatever you want to tell me. So yeah, that'll do it for this mystery unboxing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.